Welcome to 3.1. We're going to cover the basic lighting setups for all of your video so you'll understand what natural light, artificial light, and some of the common challenges that you'll be meeting in the next future, weeks, years, forever, because you're going to be a pro now, right? Well, once we guide you through this, you should understand everything better, and we're going to get started with understanding natural light. Currently, this is artificial. But if you know anything about natural light, you've probably heard of the golden hour. The golden hour is the most sought after piece of lighting that anyone goes to when they're doing photos, videos, and content outside. It's the 1 hour right after sunrise and the 1 hour before sunset. It's crisp, it's golden, it's warm, it's soft, and most of us look very flattering, or your products, or who knows what else. Recording videos outdoors is definitely more challenging than in a controlled environment, but I challenge you to definitely give it a try when you're making content because it does make things feel more raw, real, and authentic. So give it a try. Next, we're gonna jump into artificial lighting. Pretty much everything you're seeing right now. When it comes to lighting, there's a ton I can teach you, but we're not trying to get super advanced. We need the basics. So I'm gonna jump into first, temperature. The temperature of light is essentially the color of the light. And we're not talking red or purple. We're talking from the warm oranges to the cool blues. So I'm gonna give you a quick example right now. Here I have a ring light that can switch to all of the tones and all of the hues. With this ring light, you're looking at warm right now. Orange, warm, inviting, so similar to the sun at some points. Or you can go neutral, which is very white and flat. Then we have cool. This is cool. If you look up the temperature ranges, there's numbers and all of that, but honestly, you don't have to worry about it. Depending upon what ring lights or basic lighting you get, you should have a few options, and it definitely will help you in your video content creation journey. And yes, there are some LED lights that can give you every color on the spectrum, but we're focusing on the basics. We're not trying to get too intricate and get too difficult. So next, we're gonna cover overcoming some of the most common lighting challenges and what to do to fix them. And this is all in your smartphone. If you have anything in the past 3 to 5 years, your smartphone should do this. I'm gonna throw a box somewhere on this screen, and I'm gonna show you some of the basics that you do. When you're shooting video, you wanna make sure you click on the subject. And this is gonna tell your camera's automatic AI stuff and algorithm stuff to focus and attribute the light differently via exposure. Or if you don't wanna click and let your camera automatically do it, at least on the iPhone, you can click and hold. And once you do that, you can move this bar up and down. And doing so, you can actually control the exposure manually, which is great for low light situations or highlight situations, which sometimes it's overblown or overshadowed, and you can do that right in your iPhone, right in your smartphone. And honestly, it's one of the easiest and most awesome manual things you can do right on your phone while you're about to shoot, or actually while you're shooting, to really edit your photos, your videos, and make that difference when it comes to light. Remember, creativity and practice are your best tools, so don't fret about the lighting and getting it all just right. Just focus on being creative, focus on being authentic. Let's chat soon. See you in a second.